Oh, what is going on out there, guys? So I've gotten a ton of DMs, comments here on YouTube, and even questions in my private group asking me about a potential Tesla stock split. So I'll give you the truth about all of that, and actually, you know what? Some of you aren't going to be happy, but you come here for the truth without the hype, and that's what you're going to get. So make sure you like the video and subscribe to this channel if you like the truth without the hype. And don't forget to get your completely free download, my stock investing checklist, to help you out. And the Black Friday sale is live now, and the price will never be cheaper again. And it ends this weekend for the Market Insiders private group, so you have a group to lean on before making the fatal mistake of FOMO buying Tesla stock after it starts a huge run. And instead, you would be buying the dip like we did at $615, and some of our members loaded the boat at like $500 or so. So if you want those alerts, plus 4 free courses, live weekly Q&As, exclusive videos, and a ton more, check out the pinned comment. And before blasting me for promoting it, I have no ads, no sponsors. This is what YouTube pays me in a month, and I give half of that and half the group's proceeds to charity. So a Tesla stock split has been a hot topic ever since its latest breakout over $1,000. Now, much of what I say will not apply to all of you. I know, I understand. And if it doesn't, that's actually awesome. But it might in the future, so it's still worth your time to take a listen. And furthermore, I have done this exact thing before, so I'm speaking from experience, and there can be mental biases that come from this without you even knowing it. So I'm not trying to talk down to anyone. I'm speaking from the perspective of somebody who has done exactly what I'm about to talk about. Now, there is a great rumor based on Elon's tweets that December 9th is the day a stock split will be announced. Could it be true? I mean, yeah, sure, I guess it could be, but I'm not sitting around trying to decode Elon's tweets, and honestly, can anyone do that with any accuracy? I don't know what the heck's going on in that guy's mind. So I have no idea if that is true, and honestly, it matters zero to my plan, and that actually leads me to the second point and a major misconception about a Tesla stock split. And the second point is Tesla's stock split is 100% not relevant to anything. You are wasting your time even thinking about it, and it is a terrible way to build your investing thesis on a stock. Nothing changes about Tesla itself. It has zero impact on revenue, zero impact on profits, zero impact on margins. It has zero impact on future capabilities. It has zero impact on Tesla's ability to execute. It has zero impact on anything related to the business itself. Zero, it has none. In the end, stocks are judged and move over the long term, not based on stock splits. They move long term based on what the business itself is doing from a fundamental standpoint. If Tesla had not grown revenue significantly this quarter and had record margins and huge profits, but instead lost money and margins decreased and revenue slowed, the stock would have gone down, and a stock split would have had no bearing on any of this either. A stock split would not have saved the stock from a huge move down. It just wouldn't matter. Now, yes, when the first split was announced, Tesla ran up huge, and I mean like 80% huge. It was crazy, which gave everyone a false perception that the stock split actually mattered. But look at what happened right after the stock split. The stock almost immediately cratered. And also think about the time we were in. Back then, Tesla moved, its Elon successfully flushed the toilet, so there was that too. And don't get me wrong, it was awesome to see Tesla move up so fast, so quick, but 2020 was a crazy year for stocks, and it was not normal, and that is why you saw things like this move stocks huge when it really shouldn't have. It was clearly an anomaly year to say the least. Now, I personally like the stock split. I like the idea of the price being affordable no matter how much Tesla stock price runs up, and I personally think it's good for the stock long term. But don't get it twisted that somehow when Tesla splits, then it will be cheap, and that is the time to buy the new discount. It's not on a discount at all, and using stock price itself is a terrible metric to judge a stock by without an associated market cap and valuation behind it. And that is what I care about most. And with fractional shares now available to most people, your best bet to buy Tesla on a discount was to buy or DCA when Tesla was at an actual valuation discount, even if that means you have to buy fractional shares. That's much better than waiting until the shares are actually, cheaper by the dollar amount you have to spend for a share. Unless you are trading the stock, which is completely different, and then the move might actually matter a little bit, the stock split is useless to speculate on, and you are playing a losing game compared to the long-term buy and hold investors who buy based on valuation. So to me, I either buy Tesla when the valuation makes sense, or, just DCA into Tesla every month or paycheck or however you choose to do it. Everything else is just short-term speculation and honestly market timing, and that is rarely how real wealth is built. Bottom line, valuation is what matters, not the actual stock price or stock split. A Tesla stock split may act as a short-term catalyst, I agree, but I don't care about it because I'm actually not a trader. So do your valuations, create your plan to buy at a certain price point, or just plan to DCA into Tesla and execute. Let me know down in the comments what you think. Let me know, is a Tesla stock split coming, and when do you think it's coming? I'd love to hear what you guys think. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.